Hi guys, so I basically just came off the bus, and while I was on the bus I literally it was so weird because I was sitting next to an elderly person, and I had this little sneeze, and I couldn't sneeze because I was so scared. I just don't know, I had to do that to my nose because bless her, she was like, oh, so I was like yeah, but it's actually so funny, you guys. You have to think about it, the funny side of it, because even in the cabs, normally when you go in the cab, they take the money and you ask them, do you have tissue? They say no. Or do you have this? They say no. But now it's most of the cabs, they have this, the Dettol spray, the wipes, the tissue, and you're like is this VIP or what? But you know what I'm saying? You just have to look at it in that way, it's actually happening. People are actually being hygienic wise clean. See, wipes, Dettol.